On this one, question 16, where you're trying to find the average rate of change, we need to find f of x1 and f of x2 before we can use that formula. And so f of x1, I plug in 1 here, so it's really just finding f of 1. Negative 2, 1 cubed, plus 2, 1 squared, plus 1. And when I simplify that, it's negative 2 plus 1, and we get positive 1. We need to find f of x2, and here our x2 is 8. So I plug that in, I get negative 2, 8 cubed, plus 2, 8 squared, plus 8. And I am going to have to use a calculator for that one. And I'm getting negative 888. So the average rate of change is f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, my f of x2 was negative 888. My f of x1 was 1. Then x2 was 8, and x1 was 1. So all I've done was just substituted these 4 values with the 4 values that we found. And now simplify this. The numerator becomes negative 889. The denominator is 7. And that simplifies to negative 127.